everybody. This is Dan, Basic Camping with Dan, here at Johnson Creek Recreation Area in Anna, Illinois. Camping with my family this weekend. It's going to be a good adventure. I also got Scarlett. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Oh. And I got my mom camping with us.
Hi.
And yeah, the leaves are turning colors, a really beautiful yellow. Pretty close to peak. We also got some red. So I'm going to take a quick walk to the pay station. When you stay at a National Forest campground, they have stealth pay stations. Pretty easy, so I'm walking up there and I'm gonna pay. And you just come up here. It's at Forest Service fee required, so $10 for sites. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these payment envelopes, and then you're gonna go ahead and just fill out your information, put it in this, and then this is going to be your proof of payment right here. And that's if there's an on-site host. You're just going to go ahead and put the money into here. As it's already getting close to getting dark, I'm going to go ahead and get my tent up real quick. Get my gear situated just before it gets dark. So tonight it's getting down to about 40 degrees, so I'm gonna definitely try to stay warm tonight. I got this is a Stoic Groundwork 20, and I usually use this on most of my camping trips, but this is the Nemo Tensar insulated down to 30 degrees, so that's what I'll be sleeping on tonight. And one hack I like to do is before I put my air mattress down, I like to put down a blanket, just so like if there's anything on the ground, it won't poke through and you won't be with a deflated mattress early in the morning. Another thing I like to do is when it gets cooler, I like to make sure my sleeping bag is set up, gets lofted, because the loft in your sleeping bag is really what helps keep you warm. Now that I got my sleeping situation all situated, I'm gonna have a nice cold vanilla porter. And right now this is Johnson Creek Recreation Area in Ava, Illinois. It's part of the Shawnee National Forest. And there's I believe 3 loops. I think it's like a handful of campsites. It's not a huge campground, but definitely ample room. You can have horses here. There's horse trails. It's by Lake Kincaid, and as you can see, the leaves are turning real nice, real beautiful. And the campground, it does have water, but you need to boil it. So any water you get from this campsite, vault toilets, picnic benches, pretty spacious campground. Alright, so tonight is going to be really easy. It's going to be leftover stew right on the fire, just because I don't feel like cooking. This is the stew that I made on my last video, the cowboy stew. Just going to heat it up. Just like that.
Here, baby girl. She knows you've got food. That's what she's doing.
So this is what's for dinner. We got leftover cowboy stew and some hot dogs, nice and crispy. So definitely skimping it tonight. Hey, I'm getting ready to hit the hay. Hey, good morning everybody. I'm just hanging out, getting ready to start breakfast. I'm gonna make some really delicious, I got blueberry sausage that's house made, and then also I'm gonna do some cinnamon rolls in my camp oven, so I'm gonna have some good breakfast. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is get some coffee going. I'm going to use my French press. Oh. Morning. And today I'm going to be using my Coleman camp oven. And I'm going to make some cinnamon rolls.
What do you think of this campsite? It's perfect, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Oh.
So I'm going to have homemade blueberry sausage too. And this is going to be the protein we're going to need. Blueberry sausage. So good. That is awesome.
Good in the morning. Just kidding.
So right now is the takedown. I'm going to go ahead and take my tent down. Yeah, there's a bee. And then we're going to do some exploring around here. There's a boat ramp with a neat little trail that goes around Lake Kincaid. We're going to check that out and yeah, see what that's all about. And it's going to be beautiful. I think it's going to be like 70 degrees today, so ready for that. And one thing when you're taking your sleeping bag, the reason why they call this a stuff sack is you don't actually roll up your sleeping bags, you just stuff it in. So though, like if you roll your sleeping bags into your stuff sack, you're doing it wrong. So we're doing a quick walk around, see if we can pick up any trash. We found a can of Yingling. We're all packed up. We're getting ready to head to the boat ramp to check out Lake Kincaid. And we're checking out the boat ramp. There's a boat launch over here, a pavilion.
This looks like a park.
Yeah.
It is a park.
And we're just hiking on a little trail by the boat ramp. Hey, baby girl. So that's the end of this adventure. Good adventure. Went to Shawnee National Forest, Johnson Creek. Hung out at the boat ramp, at the recreation area, and made some good food. So like this, thumbs up, subscribe. Basic Camping on YouTube. Have a good day, everybody.